Well, it's Joe Sengel here, and with another money tip. And you know, I talk about the I was broke, now I'm not ladder, and how one of the things that's super important is to save for different things. It's a foundational element, is that you save money. And you gotta save that money for unknown, unplanned, unexpected expenses. Well, today, that is a hydrant that broke off. And so, I'm digging in the mud. But as you might be able to guess, I'm not exactly a pipe fitting or plumbing specialist. So the reason you want to have a known upcoming unplanned unexpected expenses fund is because things like this happen. It's going to cost me some money, but I got to have that water. So get fired up. I'm going to call the repairman. To be continued. Well, story is continued. It turns out the plumbers that are committed to providing all your plumbing needs, they don't seem very motivated to come out when you have no water to your house. So if you want to know the plumbers in my area who aren't interested in helping out homeowners who have zero water to their house, and say, you know, tool on that for 24 hours while it's going to be 97 degrees, come see me. But in the meantime, I decided to do some work, get some South Carolina clay on me. And Joe Sengel Handyman Services has got it beat out here with the sledgehammer. And we're going to fix this. And so I don't know what the lesson here is, except for the fact that no one's going to take care of your finances like you are. No one is urgent about your issues like you are. And if you want to get things fixed, you know, sometimes the answer is go get help. But sometimes the answer is you got to figure out your own way through it. And so with the help of some YouTube videos and some good old-fashioned grit, we might fix this tonight. To be continued. Get fired up. In the meantime, it's a beautiful sunset, and the barn looks great. As the evening falls, I've bought the part. So, unbelievably, this metal part right here snapped off. That's hard to believe. So, I think the lesson here that I want you to learn is sometimes things that you think cannot break or are tried and true, sometimes they fail you too. And that works in finances too. And sometimes you just got to change your methods because of something that you think is fail-proof. When it does fail, you have to investigate why and then figure it out and figure out a way to fix it. And so this is the broken part. It used to be like this right here. I mean, that was all connected. And now I fixed it with 3 pictures of Andrew Jackson. And so hopefully in about 10 minutes, we're going to be fixed here. Well, darkness has fallen on the repair, but we have water in the house, and Joe Sengel's Plumbing Services apparently is up and running. But let me tell you, I don't guarantee any of my services. And I'm excited that it's fixed. But that's the lesson. Turn this off here for a second. I think I turned it off. Life happens. You better have some money saved for it. This cost me 3 portraits of Andrew Jackson. And so, glad I have that emergency fund savings. That's what that's all about. So, hopefully the next time you have an unexpected expense, you're prepared for it. If not, make sure you do it and climb that ladder. That I was broke, now I'm not ladder. You can download it via link right here. And if these tips are helping you, make sure you like it and you subscribe to it and share it with your friends. Have a good night.